Hi, thank you for your post. And it's a long post, so we can't see it all on screen. But the first part of this is really what your focus is the employer or the agency is not giving you documentation. My question to you is, what documentation do you need? Okay, I'm not being facetious about this. I'm being serious because you don't need documentation. Now, there's EEO and regs that say the agency should be giving you this in writing, but oftentimes they don't. The law itself, though, is very specific. If they don't give you the accommodation, you have a right to start the legal process. So if you need accommodation, you've told them that you need the accommodation. Whether you've told them that in writing or not doesn't matter. Whether they have denied it in writing or not doesn't matter. What matters is, did they give you the reasonable accommodation that you need for your disability? If they did not, that triggers your right to file the EO to start this legal process. So I don't want you or others to get too focused on they're not giving me documents when that's not what's required by the law. One of the things I will say to you, and I'll say to anybody watching this is a great example of kind of getting sucked into what the agency is doing rather than being focused on your rights and what you should be doing. And a great way to make sure that you're focused on your rights is to consult with someone who does what I do. So consult a federal employee attorney about what your rights are in the workplace and how you would move this through. Because again, the law, the Rehabilitation Act, as amended by the Americans with Disabilities Act amendments, does not require anything to be in writing. Request it verbally. They can deny verbally or just not give it to you. Same as a denial. You have a right to file an EEO and move forward. And the question is never going to be what documents do you have or not have. The question is going to be, did they give you a reasonable accommodation? Did they not? Did you give enough information to know that they should start the interactive process? So don't get tied up on what they are doing or not doing. Focus on your rights. So, hope this helps.